Chapter 8 Forests and Wildlife. Learning Objectives. Forests, Wildlife. The gifts of nature include vegetation, animals, soils, water, minerals, etc. These are called natural resources. The vegetation is the first form of life that appeared on earth. It includes forests, grasslands and shrubs. It is one of the most important natural resources. The growth of vegetation depends mainly on the climatic conditions. The three elements of climate, temperature and rainfall are very important. We have already studied about the variation in the climatic conditions. Accordingly, the vegetation also varies greatly from one region to another. Forests. Forests are our natural wealth. They are very important resource. It takes the very long time for the trees to grow densely and form a forest. Forests are an important natural resources as they provide us with many useful things. They provide us with hardwood and softwood used for making wood pulp, paper, plywood and matchsticks. They provide shelter to wildlife and fodder to animals. Forests provide medical plants and herbs. The trees of rainforest also provide medicines. They provide products like gum, rubber, resin, cork and camphor. Forest in India. At present, about 22% of total area of our country is under some form of vegetation. Ideally, it should be about 33% of the total area. Depending upon the climatic conditions and other factors, the forest in India can be classified into the following 5 types: evergreen forests, deciduous forests, coniferous forests, thorn forests, tidal forests. Fact file: about 22% of the total geographical land of India is covered with forests. Evergreen forests. In the hot and rainy areas of our country, particularly in the hilly regions, we have forests that remain green throughout the year. These forests are called the evergreen forest. The trees of these forests do not shed all their leaves at a particular time of the year. The trees are very tall and grow very close to each other. They have broad and thick canopy, so the rays of the sun cannot pass through them to reach the ground. Such forests are found in the Western Ghats in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Maharashtra. The hilly areas of Assam and West Bengal also have such forests. The more important of these trees are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, sandalwood, care and bamboo. Deciduous forests. These forests are found mainly in the areas which receive moderate rainfall, mainly in the Deccan Plateau and the foothills of the Himalayas. These forests are also called monsoon forests. These trees shed their leaves for a fixed period during the summer season. Sal, teak and shisham are the main trees of these forests. The woods of these trees are used for making furniture. They are both costly and useful. Coniferous forests. These forests are found in the higher Himalayan mountains and parts of Nilgiri hills. The trees found in these forests are tall and pointed. They have needle-shaped thick leaves and bear cones. The most common trees of this variety grown in the Himalayan region are chir, deodar, spruce, fir, etc. The pulp of these trees is used for making paper and also yield resin and turpentine oil. Thorn forest. Trees in thorn forests have long roots, sharp thorns and small leaves. In these types of forests, trees can be live without water for a long time. Trees found in these forests are babul, kikar and date palms. These types of forests are found in Rajasthan and in dry areas of Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, etc. Tidal forests. Tidal forests are mostly found in the deltas of all major rivers and in areas which are flooded by sea water. The forests are dense and the wood is hard. Sundri tree is a well-known tree grown in the delta of Ganga, so this area is called Sundarbans. These forests area also called mangrove forests. Fact file. The tidal forests protect the soil on the coast from getting eroded. Need for conserving forests. Forests are our valuable natural resource. We should conserve it, but it is unfortunate that more and more trees are being cut down as the population is rising day by day. Trees are cut to fulfill the various needs. As a result of the thoughtless cutting down of trees, we have only 1/4 of the land covered with forests, while 1/3 of total land must come under forests for ecological balance. It is a matter of great relief that government as well as public have realized the importance of forest in our life. Many state governments have passed laws to protect trees. There are provisions for punishment if anyone violates the laws. Steps to increase the forest area has been taken. Every year at the beginning of the rainy season, one Mahotsav is celebrated in schools to create awareness among the people. In many states, active social forestry programs are conducted during the Van Mahotsav when trees are planted in villages, towns and cities along the roads, railway lines and canals. There are other programs which aim at promoting afforestation. They are the Chipko movement and For Every Child a Tree. Under the program For Every Child a Tree, the children and their parents are encouraged to plant trees and look after them for the future. The Chipko movement was started in 1974 under the leadership of Sundarlal Bahuguna. The volunteer of Chipko movement clinged to the trees to stop the woodcutters from cutting down the trees. This clinging to the trees was known as Chipko. Thus the movement can be known as Chipko movement. Wildlife. India has a large variety of wildlife. However, animals are being hunted and killed in large numbers by human beings for their skin, fur, horn and tusks. In order to protect them, certain forests are protected by the government. These are known as forest reserves or wildlife reserves. At present, there are 441 wildlife sanctuaries and 96 national parks in India. Given below are the names of few national parks and wildlife sanctuaries in India. National parks. National Park, State, Animal. Bandhavgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Tiger. Bandipur, Karnataka, Tiger, Elephant. Gir, Gujarat, Asiatic Lion. Jim Corbett, Uttarakhand, Tiger. Kanha, Madhya Pradesh, Deer. Kaziranga, Assam, One-horned Rhino. Panna, Madhya Pradesh, Elephant. Periyar, Kerala, Elephant. Ranthambore, Rajasthan, Tiger. Sundarbans, West Bengal, Tiger. Fact file. The animals and plants in an area and their interrelationship with each other and their surroundings is called the ecosystem. We all are a part of this ecosystem. Wildlife sanctuaries. Sanctuary, state, sanctuary, state. Bharatpur, Rajasthan. Dachigam, Jammu and Kashmir. Idukki, Kerala. Chilka Lake Sanctuary, Odisha. Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. Periyar, Kerala. Conservation of wildlife. Sanctuaries and national parks not only provide a home but also prevent the killing of animals. This helps in the survival of the endangered species of animals. Fact file. The Bharatpur Ghana Bird Sanctuary is home to a large number of birds. The Siberian cranes visit here. Points to remember. A large area of land covered with tree is called forest. Various types of forests in India are evergreen, deciduous, thorn, coniferous and tidal. Wildlife is preserved in forests through national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. It is important for us to conserve, select and tick the